Hello friends, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to share Google Drive folder with others. Like and subscribe, support this channel, let's get started. So go to Google Drive. Google Drive has started. Now let's create a new folder, click new folder, give a name to the new folder and click create. Okay, a new folder has been created and appears in the My Drive section. To make sure that the folder is not empty, we can add a file to it, for example by simply dragging. Now to share this folder, we click these three dots next to the folder name, then share and share again. As you can see, access to this folder is now restricted, but we have two ways to change that. In the first case, access remains restricted, but I can grant access to the user via email. I enter the email address, then select the access level. As you understand, the editor is the maximum level. I can also write a message and then click send. Next, this user receives an email informing him that he has gained access to my folder, and he is added to the group of users who have access to it with me. However, since I am the owner of the folder, I can always delete any user from this list. The second method is much simpler, but it may not be safe. Also go to the Share menu and select the Anyone with the link option. As in the previous case, we select the access level, and now the most important thing is to copy the link and send it to anyone via email, messenger, or whatever you want. And this person gets access to your folder and moreover will be able to share your link with anyone. And that person will also get access to your folder. Be careful. It's all, now you know it all more.